Thing. So this is the new AromaTouch hand technique kit. It's actually really, I like to call it as the introduction to AromaTouch, which is one of my favorite things about this is it's divided up into 3 different classes. And so you got the emotional aromatherapy, you got the kids kit, and then you also have the Super 6 oils, or physical oils, excuse me. Now, that's a lot of information to remember. And I don't know about you, but I'm not good at memorization. So what we've done is we've actually given you the information that you need on the back of this. So you've got slide deck, information for the slide deck, so all the notes that you need, and then a social media invite that you can send out for your class. And in the box itself, it comes with 25 samples. And so 25 oil bottles, 25 cards, and 25 bags that you can use, and you can make them up into a small bag like this as a little bit of a knapsack giveaway or takeaway from the class itself.
And what's the little card?
The card itself is the hand technique on how you use the hand technique. So as you can see, you have an introduction to the oil. You'll divvy the hand up into 3 sections, and you'll do little circles in each zone for about 15 to 30 seconds. And then you'll do the pinpoint zone activation, and where you start at the base of the hand and you walk up, kind of like you did with the feet. I call it the walk because it's just easier to remember in my opinion. But then you have step 4, which is the interphalangeal pull, which on the step 3 you work on the fingers, and this step you're going to work in between them, and that's pretty much it.
Thank you so much.